Hey guys, so I don't know if you noticed in the last video, but I actually was coming down with a little bit of a cold. I was like post-recovery, I guess, so my voice was a little bit nasally. I feel like it's way better right now and I'm in a much better mood, obviously. I hope you can tell. Maybe not. Maybe my mood just translates the same on camera. Either way, who knows? But as you could tell from the title of this video, we are going to be recreating some Instagram makeup. And by Instagram makeup, I'm meaning this. As some of you do know, sunflowers are my favorite flower and it's perfect this time of year. Plus, I thought this looked really cute, so let's just get into the makeup look. And in case any of you were wondering, I am currently using reusable makeup wipes. And you literally just pop them in the washer dryer and they're perfectly good as new. So I'm really liking those right now. So as per usual, we have to prep and prime our eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone. Okay, so along with the Morphe X James Charles palette, which I use in a lot of my more creative looks, I'm actually going in with this new Nomad palette. I got it in my Ipsy just this month. It is actually the Nomad Cosmetic Berlin palette. And I don't know if you can see, but there's really cool indentations in there. So there's skull indentations that are just really cool. So we're going to be starting out with a dark brown, and this doesn't have as dark of a brown as I would like. So we're going into the James Morphe palette. I'm going into the darkest brown that we can find. Using a blending brush, we're actually going to be using the Morphe M124 and just putting that into our crease. So we're going to be taking a Morphe M506 and going into an even lighter brown just to kind of transition it. So when it comes to the outside of the eye, it's transitioning into a softer brown. And then we're taking that same brown and doing it to the other eye. Now it actually looks as if they did a really light brown on the inner part of the eye, which is what my voice is going again. Wow. Alright. It looks like what they did was a really lighter brown on the inside of the eye, which is exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to be taking this shade right here in the very middle of the palette. Reminds me of a creme brulee shade. And we are going to be putting that on the very center of our eye. And on my face, that actually does not look like a light brown, that looks like an orange, but I'm just gonna go with it. The side of my face looks like a lot of fallout so far. We're gonna be going into this brown right next to the darkest one that we used, and we're gonna be dragging that along our lower lash line. This oval coverage brush, it's a Morphe M224, and I actually have a duplicate of this one. I use it mainly for using the Drug Lord when we're cutting the crease. So because it can actually cover more space, we're going in to the bright yellow. I believe it's called B. We're going to be spraying this just a little bit, and we are going to be drawing the petals of the flower. I think we might hit pan on the yellow. Jeez. Okay, so now that we have the overall yellow outline for our flower, we're going to be going in with this black eyeliner. If I don't like this black eyeliner, I'm going to be using this one. They're different applicators, so we'll just see which one I like better. My gut feeling tells me to go with this one first, so that's just what we're going to do. I'm so nervous. You can't tell. Well, considering the constant like changing of the curvatures of my face, I feel like I did a pretty decent job-ish. I feel like, wait, no. I feel like this one right there is the best one that I did. I feel like I could have done a much better job, but this is the best I could do. It looks like the sun. Didn't even look like a sunflower. It looks just straight up like the sun. So of course there's big green leaves involved in sunflowers, so we're gonna actually add them to, I want to say this part a little bit and up here. So I'm gonna go in with this deep green from the palette, spray it just a little. I feel like I had more control with this one. Why didn't I just use this one? Okay, so in a final attempt to fix this up, we're going into the orange in the palette. And we're going to be going in and just kind of like saturating the color at the bottom of these leaves. Making them just a tad bit orangey. I'm actually going to be going in with some white highlighter and highlighting the leaves. Not white highlighter, white eyeliner. Wow. I feel like that was a mistake. I feel like I put green corn on my face. So now I'm actually going to be adding the glitter that they have right here on that center of the eyelid. I feel like in regards to glitter, that's good enough. Wow. So I'm just going to touch up my under eye on this side. Ew. Ew.
Oh, you nasty.
So I'm going to be using, I don't even know what brand this is. I just know that this color is called My Lip Miracle. Oh, it's by Avon. Oh my gosh. No wonder nobody, I don't know who uses Avon anymore. Hardly anyone I know. It's the brightest red that I have. So let's just use it. I think I made the petals too big. It's okay. Okay. So. I want to put a patch of blue right here. If any of you are fans of Sidney Poitier, you know exactly what patch of blue means. I just love that movie. It's so ahead of its time. But I would have to say that my all-time favorite Sidney Poitier film would have to be To Sir With Love. I love To Sir With Love. I actually plan on getting a tattoo in the near future about the song from To Sir With Love. It's just so beautiful. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I am so excited for the very start of fall. I do wish the petals on the flower would have turned out differently, but overall I think it's pretty cute. It's getting me into the fall spirit, and I'm really excited for Halloween. Stay tuned for me vlogging in the month of October. I am actually going to be finishing up my eye look by adding eyelashes, so I'll be right back. And sadly I didn't even use this palette. I'm gonna have to make a full-on fall look using just this palette because it looks really cute. Okay, so I put on my eyelashes. I hope I look okay and a little bit more sane, I want to say. I hope it kind of pulled this look together. I'm looking in the monitor. I'm hoping it is. Because, like I said, I'm not too thrilled with the petals, but I'm not going to redo them. I'm just not going to do it. So I hope you all enjoyed this. It's getting me in the mood for fall. I'm super excited for the month of October to start vlogging. I don't know if most of you know, but I am actually going to be going to Denver to see Jeffree Star on the 12th of October. It's going to be a Saturday, and I'll see, you know, what I vlog, what I leave out, and how much I can actually vlog. But I'm actually really excited to be going. I love Jeffree. I know that his documentary with Shane is coming out on October 1st, so really excited about that. The trailer just dropped yesterday, so yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I'll see you next time. Bye!